I said in the last one of the Target best of boxes that there's only one more to go? I lied on accident. I didn't mean to. I forgot that not all of them came in one shipment, and there's actually 2 more after this one. Which I did say in the first one, there's 7 altogether, so clearly this is how hard I fail at doing math and being able to count basic numbers. But anyway, so the one we're doing today is the Lashes That Last set. It has a value of over $70. Whoa! So it's a 7-piece set of lens enhancing mascaras. So you know I am all about that. So let's go ahead and dip in. I'm super stoked for these. I think out of the different sets, this was like my favorite set last year too, was the one with the mascaras. So, no surprises here. And look at that. I was going to say pretty much all full sizes. Then my stupid ass goes and drops them. Does this go here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it goes there. Okay, so trying that again, holding the bottoms. This is just gonna be a fail kind of video, isn't it? Oh my god. Okay, trying this a 3rd time. There! Nothing can fall. No real sample sizes, I don't think, except for maybe the Maybelline one. Everything else, I believe, is full-sized here. So, that's pretty cool. Alright, so now we're gonna dip into what all is here. So, this one I've admittedly never heard of. It's the Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Mascara. Now, I'm not going to open these up and show the wands, because all that will do is make these dry out while waiting for me to actually be ready to use them. So let's not do that, okay? Okay, so, yeah, and the color is Blackest Black. All of these are black mascaras, so they'll work for everybody. Next in here is a Milani in Highly Rated. So this one, yeah, Highly Rated 10-in-1 Volume Mascara in black. They had a similar packaging for the Milani one they included last year, because I remember the stars on it, but I want to say it was a different Milani one. Then we have the Well People Expressionist Pro Mascara in Pro Black. So I'm still not that well versed with that particular brand yet. Like, I know I've received them a few times, but I've not actually opened anything up from them yet. So they're still new to me. Then, of course, the ever classic CoverGirl. This one is the only one we can show off the wand with because of the way that they package. So this is the Lash Blast Volume. 10 times volume in Black Noir. Fancy. I'm pretty excited for that one too, just given the shape of that brush. It's like really short at the tip, and then they fluff out. I'm like, ooh, I like what you're doing with that. That's versatile. That's a good shape. Hopefully it's a really good formula too. And then from Honest Beauty, we have the Extreme Length 2-in-1 Mascara and Lash Primer. So on this end, it's the mascara. This end is the primer, which I think is pretty freaking cool. And I think I also received one from them last year too, and did not realize that that was a thing on there, even though I remember the skin-colored cap on the other end, and now I'm like, oh shit, that probably... Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Then we have the e.l.f. Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum. That might be possibly travel size. I'm not sure. I'll have to look on their website. Actually, no, it might be full size. It might be. I'm always nervous when it comes to lash serums because I've seen so many horror stories from things going wrong with them. So I've never actually used one yet. But I kind of want to, but I'm just scared of if I have a horrible reaction. Anyone else on board with that? I feel like I can't be the only one that has some fear there. Then finally, last one, we have the Maybelline Sky High Mini in Very Black. So yeah, this is the only mini, but I have been wondering about the Sky High, because I keep seeing commercials for them. So I'm pretty... It's from the Lash Sensational line, which I love that. I just haven't tried Sky High yet. So hopefully it's even better than the regular one, because I've got the regular one, like, thrice over. So Sky High will be new for me. But yeah, so that's what all's in this kit. It's a pretty good one. I would definitely say if you got a beauty lover in your life, you can't go wrong with this set. You really can't. It is such a steal. All that value for 15 bucks. Typically, you could get maybe one of these full size for about that price. Yeah, so getting all of these for that price in full sizes, with the exception of that one mini, that is an absolute freaking steal. So, Target! So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.